Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for our today's video, we're gonna tackle about or we're gonna topic about the molten metal from blast furnace. So our for today's objectives, we're gonna tackle the or explain how a steel come up to a molten metal. Then what are the steps been undergo that the steel been product to molten. So what are we waiting for? Let's hop in. First, let's discuss molten metal. So what is a molten metal? So a molten metal means a metal or metal alloy in a liquid state in which a cohesive mass of metal will flow under atmospheric pressure and takes the shape of a container in which it is placed with in which it is placed. So a molten rock, metal or glass has been heated to a very high temperature that reach up its liquid state. Then it's become a hot and thick liquid. So that is a molten metal.
So, the process of a molten metal. So, the process of a molten metal is first the raw material or the metal ore been mixed in a choke flux so that it helps to liquefy the metal easily. Second is that the mixed material is being put on the top of the blast furnace. Then heat it up. Then when it reach the maximum temperature or the 1500 uh, Celsius, that can take on a metal, it turns up to become a molten metal. Then the molten metal is put on the molded to take the shape one to make like a beam, cylinder, and etc. So you see in the video. So you seen also the what is the molten metal and what is the process of making on it of a molten metal from a blast furnace. So that is for today's video. Hope you like it and learn something on it. So goodbye and good day to all of us.